Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about viewing your security alerts on your TikTok app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select the hamburger icon at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select settings and privacy. And now you want to go and select underneath account where it says security and permissions, left click on that. And now that we are in here, you want to select under security, security alerts, left click on that. And at this point, if there's any security alerts detected within the prior 7 days, they will be listed here. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.